would you recommend us to other businesses?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Most definitely, yes.
What would you say about your experience of using Vapor Clean?
Quick, efficient, friendly people.
Yeah. Because we've been in this morning, haven't we, to do your clean this morning?
Yep.
So how did you find sort of the booking process and things like that?
Simple. Quick phone call to my business partner. She set everything up. I turned up in the morning, opened the doors.
Yeah.
In and out in about 2 hours. I didn't exactly choose Vapor Clean. I mean, I've been doing chip shops for 20 years now, but when I took over this shop about 6 months ago, I was told about Vapor Clean. We're already contracted to do this site, and I went with it. But you know, I found that it's not too expensive, and it cleans everything up. So you know, it's basically, you can see everything cleaner. You know, it has to be clean so it can keep flowing.
Yeah.
You know, otherwise you just get clogged up. You get, you know, backlashes of smoke and things like that. So yeah, I mean, we've had no issues at all. The guys come here with their own products, with their own bits and pieces, tools, everything, ladders, whatever they need, and it's quick and efficient.
Would you recommend us to other businesses?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Most definitely, yes. My name's Solo. I am the new owner of Charles Takeaway. Welcome to Charles Takeaway.